What are we going to do today? To test the Forex robot. Is it possible to double or triple the deposit on it? Yes, you can. But to do this, you need to thoroughly study the principles of its operation. Let's see in the strategy tester how it works. What do you need to do if you want to test and trade this robot yourself? Follow the link below. Open an account with a broker. Download the MetaTrader 4 trading platform, install it and start earning. Go! I recommend watching videos from a large screen computer so that everything is clearly visible. So, after installing the terminal, click this button at the top called Strategy Tester. The tester opens at the bottom, and in the Advisor column we select our robot. We will test on the most popular currency, the euro-dollar. I selected the M1 period and set the following settings in the robot's parameters. Take profit. I made 50 points. The distance between orders is also 50 points. The rest of the settings can be discussed in my Telegram channel. Subscribe, ask questions for example, I chose October 5th. Let's get started. So, I click Start, and you click Subscribe, and let's go. Open the parameters window and increase the speed. The robot is semi-automatic, so you need to make your own first entry into the transaction. To do this, select this entry into the transaction. To enter a trade, you can also use my signals, which I release every Monday. I'm going to sell now, so I'll wait for the price to rise. Here I have the buy and sell buttons. I select Market Order and click Sell. So, the robot started working. Everything happens fast enough. I'll slow down a bit in order to explain what's going on. After opening a deal, we see a sell here. It puts up a take profit of 50 points and also puts up a pending order, which opens a position with a double lot, and the price went against us. Thus, it averages the position and makes it possible to exit the drawdown faster. As you can see, the robot has already earned $160. Although there are 132 in funds, I'll increase the speed and see what happens next. As we see, the available funds are already $223. The robot has already doubled the deposit and is looking further. Drawdown does not exceed 15%. Now it's more than 200 points. The robot has doubled its position and is trading further. Every time a position is closed, he immediately opens a new position in the village in order to continue earning. So, the robot has already tripled the deposit on the account of $340, and the robot continues to trade. As you can see, there are $417 in the account, so he has already earned $300 on top. We started with $100. and our initial transaction volume was 0.1 lots. This is a fairly aggressive trade. I do not recommend using it unless you are ready to lose your deposit. However, if you are willing to use risky trading, it can pay off easily. And an important rule of aggressive trading is that if you have earned a certain amount of money, then you need to transfer it to another account and continue trading on it, in order to always have the West, in case the robot drains the deposit. The robot can also trade in different directions. Right now, for example, I can click the buy button, and as you can see, he also opened buy orders with a take profit and a buy elimination order at the same time. Thus, it works both up and down at the same time. If the price goes up, he will earn money by buying. If the price goes down, he will earn money by selling. By and large, it doesn't matter to him where the price goes, up or down. He will always place orders, take profits, and earn. If you want to test this robot for free, follow the link in the description. Open an account with any broker you like, connect to my partner group, and write to my Telegram account. Well, that's all for today. I wish you a successful trade. Trade with pleasure. Bye.